Well, I've got the old Ragley Blue Pig going. It's got a brand new chain on it, it's a brand new cassette on it. Does still need jockey wheels. I'll get some coloured ones of those just because YOLO. I know aluminium ones do wear the chain out a bit quicker, but they last longer, so, you know, 20 quid for the chain and the cassette, which wasn't too bad. Also putting a new bottom bracket on it soon. It's got some generic pedals just thrown on for now. I'll change them as well. The Fox forks work pretty well. They did have a Schrader valve leak, and that's been replaced. The Schrader valve core, which is the same as any other Schrader valve core, an inner tube or whatever, has been replaced. So I just nicked one out of a tube I had lying around. The FSA headset's nice and smooth. All the adjustments work. The brakes on here are Avid BB5s, but they're pretty knackered to be honest, so I'll be changing them tomorrow. You'll see a video on that. Not any old brake, that's for sure. And yeah, she's pretty nice. She's coming along pretty well. There's a bit of surface rust here and there, and there's that ding, which is unfortunate. Doesn't seem to affect it though. It rides really well. It's really light for a steel frame. It's absolutely unbelievable. That concludes this video.